Okay, we have to wait for him. We're playing a ball war again. There's Laura. Laura, we have to hit Joey. There we go by left hand so I can actually throw it.
I touched him.
He's taking a while. It's been 19 seconds. You understand that? Joey, no, it's been recording for about half a minute. Laura, go get it. Go get it, Maritas! Die!
No! Give it to me, Laura, please!
Like it.
No!
Get it, Sissy. Thank you.
Welcome.
No, I throw it harder. What's your favorite song?
Sign Boy. Yeah! Sign Boy. It's called Sign Boy.
I got it.
Sign
I dare you to. Laura, we got it. You like diamonds.
Chicken Minecraft style. Give it. Give it. Bad.
No.
Bad dodo.
Not a dodo, bitch. Oh, yeah, I can circus. I'm over 13.
You're not over 13. You're only 12.
Pretty fucking close. I'm gonna bite you.
Ew. I got the ball.
Yes, the ball, you guys. That didn't hit me, but I got the ball, so. I win, sucker. Laura, get the ball.
No! Give it to Jojo.
Thanks, sweetie.
It has pizza on it.
Yeah. Go. Go. Go.
It has
Go.
pizza. Ow, get your butt out of my face. Get my butt out of my face.
No! Laura, run out and get it.
No, no. I'll never let you.
Go the other one when you come back. Thank you. You can go now. I cheat at this game. I have an alley. I should have thrown it. Shine bright like a... Hi, Kira. That's the gayest thing I've ever done, even though you're a guy. Or are you a girl? I'm pretty sure you're a guy. I'm not sure. I've seen you naked in the shower. Mostly because you take a shower in my shower, so.
No!
So get them all.
Don't get it.
Stay out the bright light while I beat the crap out of him.
Kira! Stop! You're my only hope! Ow!
It doesn't hurt him, you guys. Stop being silly. No. No.
Yeah! See you later, suckers! I need my pedo shield!
Okay. I never said my legs were broke.
That's how I am. Like if it's because the one day when guys,
Laura.
the phone. Come on.
Get Jojo the
One day
ball,
when I was
Laura.
down there too much of it,
Get
I
Jojo.
don't want
Get
to.
Jojo the
I'd rather
ball.
be there.
Get him.
Shh, Aunt Jess is on the phone. I'll throw Grandma's exercise ball at you. So this 6-pound piece of crap.